What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. The people, we have K husband and Shana Chin gone on a date, my people. You see me I say not really a date but just a little lunch thing. You see me I say we're gonna share that with Uno. Also we have the cat woman and she take on Kim King. You know the wickedest way of people. Cause Kim King no one nobody call him Batty man, you know. You see me? And the man jump out of the closet already, so I don't know when you want to go back in there for. It don't work so. For you jump out, you jump out. Simple as that. You see what I say? We also have some other things that people we have ROSEALEE bring down Jakes in the wickedest way. I said the man near my front and sitting, you know what I mean, and I talk from how long now Jakes are near my front, because Jakes go do a video. He said no, do a live, and I said boy a long time him can't bother for there with ROSEALEE. You see me I say? So ROSEALEE take that to heart, you know, and come back and come this up Jakes, you see it. And also I think I have some things to say about her mother also, you see me. And you have a panel discussion, you see me I say, about ROSEALEE. You know what I mean? I don't know if I left out none of my people, but I think I left out something, but whatever in the area, so it's going in a video, so I could get in with my people.
For me, I can't kill purpose, but me know I am a purpose. I remember one day, my day at school, I'm teacher for call my mother and tell my mother say for come for me because something unusual is. Remember people wicked, you know. People will literally see you. Exactly. People will see you and just eat. Remember, I even up to this day, me literally, I'm just a girl trying. Like, I am nowhere where I want to be in life. Me just say me I start back school. Me just sign up for school. I am taking my mother with me. Like, there's so much things is happening in my life right now where I'm just a trying girl. Like, I am nowhere where I want to be. And people still come on here every day and people still literally we eat prior by just trying. You know, done the first story. So I was telling you guys about the look, because I want to go watch the YouTube video. I don't want to tell you guys it, because if I'm telling you the story, you now go watch the YouTube video. So I feel like, yeah, definitely. I feel like you guys should watch my YouTube video to hear the full story. And if you guys want a part 2 with my dad telling his side of the story, what he went through with me, then I'm gonna have my dad tell my story and then I walk in the park. As a 26-year-old girl, I have been through so much, and guess what? We all have a story, right? We all have a story. We all have a story, but you have to go watch my story. Watch my video, my mother telling my story. And I know that because I'm a baga mix up, that's why I'm not run go watch a video yet. That's why I'm not support my YouTube channel. Because you see my YouTube channel, I'm the realest thing over there. Like over here up on TikTok, remember if the drama and the baga and the mix up, you don't get the support and you don't get the crowd. Like I could honestly say if it wasn't for Pastor, where Pastor speak the truth just randomly pop up on my live. I didn't add anybody. I wasn't playing any match. He just randomly pop up on my live. And he said the same thing. And I know a God do that. Me know say a God make him a God do that just now. And a me and a him, a God do that. He just pop up in my face. And before I came live, I was talking to a guy and him said go live because I want to bless you this morning. Like swear to God. I was literally in my bed laying down with my son and he said go live. I want to bless you this morning. And before me even playing a match nor nothing, Pastor just pop up in my face. And even the encouraging words that he gave me this morning before me come live, him say you're gonna be alright and your blessing are gonna come. Like if in the panel live right now, him can testify to it. Him say, you're gonna get blessing today. And I came out of And I came out of my bed and I'm gonna drop asleep and blessing drop asleep because my mother wake up this morning to go gym every morning. Right now my mother they alive. So I'm just one telling her, encouraging her to say something this morning like no matter where you go through, it's easier to do bad than good. But you see, like for me, like we are trying to walk with God and have God in me, it's gonna be one of the hardest road to travel. So it's gonna be one of the hardest things to even do when you try walk with God. And people are gonna mock you. People are gonna say you play with God. People are gonna say you play in a God face. People are gonna say God beat you. But you see the same thing what you think I'm doing are the same thing you are doing. So well, instead of you being judgmental and tell me about who for sin big and who God go beat, we need to take a reflection upon ourselves and knowing that it's easier to do the bad things than to do the good thing. So when you judge me by walking and I try to walk with God, and you know when I try to walk with God and I take the time out to judge me, trust me, we have to focus on our own sin. Because me knowing that I am sinning, I know that I am sinning, and I know what me I do is not right in the sight of God, me make sure what you call it, one C word, conviction, like when you do something bad and you know you do something bad and it bother you. Like somebody always call that word, but I don't remember it. One C word. No for no sin, and no just a sin, no so no sin. Because every day you get up and make other people life unhappy. People will try to walk with God. Your conscience, but on a conviction. That's when you're walking with God and you know say you do something wrong. Yes, it's called conscience too, Chrissy. But I'm not conscience. And I'm not perfect, but I know I am a purpose. And one day, una go see one side of Rochelle, una always a pray for see. Because me know say God have something greater in store for me. I know like this whole TikTok platform is not mine. Like every day, ask Kimmy. Every day I say, God, when are you gonna remove me from this platform? When you gonna remove me? Like there's so many times, there's so many days me not come live when me just take the time out to give me like just focus on him alone. Thank you, baby. Like me know, you know, like when you just have something bigger head of you and something just hold you back. And you know you're a purpose and you know you're supposed to do something, but something just hold you back. Me no know. But I know. I know what to do. I've been there, Red Bones, yeah, man. And I could say like you're playing stubborn too. Yeah. Yes, Auntie Carol. But it's time, and because I know, yeah, you're becoming her like. Yes, like there's a lot of what the guy name who just got married. When name again? Like I watch him most morning. When name that one young guy was just married, and he everything in post go viral when he talk about God, and he can pray. He just get married right there, yeah. And you must know who me attack to one beautiful wife.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll make you watch some more.
Psalms. Yes. Him. Remember, him was living for the world. Like, me just love him. Like, something about him. You know his story? If you don't know his story, just by looking at him, you can see saying the whole thing of the world. Tattoo all over. And look at him now. Him playing match them same way, but it's just about God. Him playing match them same way, but that's where I want to be. Like, that's where I want to be. Like, no matter what nobody say about me, no matter what nobody say about my life, if it's not about God, it don't make sense. You get what I mean? That's where I want to be. Yeah, I love him. So before I go play too much, I go close off this to the morning devotion. Exactly, that's so Lauren, yeah. He spoke about it. I have Tanisha Shaw number. Like, me talk to Tanisha Shaw all the time. Dead ass. Like, I spoke to her 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I speak to Tanisha Shaw, and Tanisha Shaw literally, one thing she have to say, the world, it's not for you. Come out of the world. 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 Once you come out of the world and focus, man, God and God alone, like, nothing what the world say. Once nothing what the world say not make sense to you, if it's not about God, you gonna see. Like, I love Tanisha. Like, there are just certain people where you watch, where just by watching them alone, you can see the anointed upon them. Just by watching them alone. So I'm gonna close off my little morning devotion, and I am so grateful that this happened this morning. Like, I am blessed today. Like, today is gonna be such a productive day for me because I'm leaving soon, and my baby sister, I got her driver's license. Let me give you a little update. I got my sister driver's license, our learners first, and then she got that. I'm gonna make sure open her account. I have a vehicle here that she's driving. I'm gonna be living with my mom soon. My son had a little bit of sickness and God removed that. So there's so much great things that is happening. Oh, I start back my business, and I got my first sold out. I have 2 bags left. Can you believe it? I started my Rushibu boutique. Remember when I know some used to sell over the fence things? Remember when me used to sell the Telfar bag them? Come to the front of the line. Who remember when me used to sell my bag them? If you don't follow me, who remember Rushibu boutique? Who remember? Who remember when me used to sell my things them? Who remember? And yesterday, I got my first order from the wharf. Not yesterday, Friday. And I got sold out yesterday. I have 2 bags left. 1, 2. I'm going to start off with 30 orders. And I didn't post them on TikTok. I didn't post them on my status. I could see the bag them. So then go and sell. And then I go close off further prayer. I'm showing the bag them. And I'm getting back my order them. Excuse bless. So guys, this is all my order that is already going out. When I say that is going out, like is literally, these are gone. Those are the only 2 that I have left. And if you're in the USA, $50 for any one of them. And I am coming up soon, so these 2 that I have, I know say, this is the suede. Really nice, very thick. I only have 2 left. It comes with the strap and everything. And I think this is the brown one. But let me show another. So this is it coming at 3 different colors. So I only have 2 left. Let me see if we can show you. I don't want to open this one. I'm showing the one I already have open. My son. So this is the Tory Birch one. Really nice, cute, good quality, thick, firm. Really nice. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. I woke you up. Mommy, I try to sell 2 bags of that going in, Papa.
Mother, one man, but still, even though, Michelle, what's up, girl? Even though she come out and I said, the pitney them and a film, and they must say, me know,
yeah,
from my pitney them. I mean, know when...
Yesterday, I missed it on the line.
Video call.
Akeem show the pitney pan.
No.
Man over.
Is it her mother? Yesterday she called her mother on the line.
Don't tell her, say, Man,
Well, my friend, you see her mother?
Hold on, sexy. What you say?
Her mother.
say.
No, hold on, Gaza. What you say? Gaza, come. What you say? Right in Gaza, tell me sitting on him phone and him gone. Where you say, Gaza, come?
You see her mother on live with the girlfriend, in? And me tell you what the King doing it, and the girl Ivany depend. To him alone depend. See?
Big up mission.
Then she said on the live say, your girl is not for Jake.
The GX.
Jake, uncle, daughter. Listen on. So Jake know what going. So she don't want the mother come on the media and sit up on the media. So the girl say, the mother say she talk the truth. The girl is not for Jake. National life instead. The whole life fuck up last night with it. You see me?
But GX, so ROSEALEE mother said
yeah. She said on the live yesterday. A Jake uncle daughter. A Jake uncle daughter.
Murder.
So she said again last night, and my girl I asked her a question. Ivany asked her a question. She said to her, say, who the fuck Jake first? You are her daughter. She said she had Jake first. First, you have Jake.
Gaza, you sure what you're saying?
Yes.
Can I did a question?
Babe, on the live is listening. The mother first have Jake. And she take Jake from the mother.
Jesus.
Ivany had back Jake. And Jake is a laugh. Find somebody laugh.
Remember say she look Jake.
First he have Jake. The mother first he have Jake.
Listen to me. A whole heap of people feel like say ROSEALEE ate GX because of Hakeem or whatever. No, listen now. ROSEALEE don't eat GX because of Hakeem. ROSEALEE ate GX from when she said GX come in, and when him come in from where him come from, when him body go her pum pum made it dead.
Yeah, him something now stand up here.
Him something now stand up here again, and him a take him money and him and remember when she da ball on the live and I say you not even love me.
And her mother hug her up.
From this she start to eat GX. Cause she said GX not have no nature fear.
Yeah.
My because she say him something always.
Listen.
I'm gonna say, oh, my text woman.
My wood wouldn't stand up here.
She said she gonna
hell, fuck no.
woman.
If I want someone cut off here, I swear to God.
My wouldn't stand up here.
Girl, man.
Remember,
she said she gonna have phone. Listen to me now.
Lord God, Mama son.
She said she going on him phone go see.
She
sing Jake a text me
And then she come back come say a lie.
Yeah. She said she going on him phone go searching phone and see. Oh my God.
Mama son more come spend a weekend with your connect to come.
Walanda, everybody. Gaza, come.
Yo.
Come. Repeat what you just said, sir.
Go to Gaza phone.
No, because guys, this stuff on the line.
Listen.
We know about that.
See
about a long time. I see you.
Wait, my sister. See,
No, Gaza talk. When that talk.
Why my sister? You see, after 6:40 something?
Today.
Ivany
Yesterday.
and King Dona, up on live first. Listen first, no.
Yeah.
We play a match and Ivany see, me tell that match now, man. We want to carry Ivany, the girl mother on live. I said she want a phone. So she said she get a phone for her this week. By Wednesday she get the phone and send and get Jake for her. So she had the girl, had the lady, she had the lady talk. The lady said talk. She asked the lady what happened between she and her daughter. And she said talk. What caused the fuck between she and her daughter?
Yeah.
And she said to her, who have Jake first? Who the fuck Jake first? You are your daughter. She said, me first, you have Jake. And Jake and she started to go to do her daughter. I saw cause the fucker. That cause the fucker. She first, we have Jake.
So why Rose take
What
him?
do you mean by she didn't say that? So what she said?
I chose some of us of a show and I lie. Not you.
So why Rose take him? They must have just come tell us how Rose look him.
A
Jake look her. She look Jake.
And she look GX.
She look Jake.
ROSEALEE did a fuck Jake's uncle.
Yes, me. Say time she start talk and she say, you tell something, Ivany. And keep one on the sister.
But if she don't say my bad son from her,
That's how when the uncle analyzed.
No, in there, he have a long time. I see you.
The Rose step James.
Analyze.
So people know, say it's not for him. The little girl is not for him. Say people love him. and calling daddy the same way, and I find she know her father.
Upset over.
So who are the father?
In that, in alive. Your uncle in alive.
Uncle.
So the uncle Pitney?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm cousin.
Little girl.
So cousin.
Yes,
a Jake's cousin.
Yes, I'm a mother.
Yeah, Shanti, a
uncle,
Jake's
uncle.
cousin.
Mother.
And Uncle Pitney, you see me? Little boy
So
of him.
Shanti if you call Jake's cousin.
Cousin. Yeah. So
Yes.
Uncle Pitney call daddy. She know her father.
So,
She know her
so
father.
come here, guys. Come here. So you mean
That's why
to
Pitney
tell
call
me
daddy.
that
Daddy.
Rosalie know these things, and Rosalie bring those things public and have a talk to the Pitney and the Jake. Rosalie, you shouldn't tell them some of the stuff that will be. This is traumatic. This is how this try little girl.
That's why Pitney like her. That's why Pitney like her.
That talk about
Yeah, when it's so before full of
Little
clothes.
girl like her.
One at a time, guys. One at a time.
Little girl like her. Little girl like her. Little girl, it's just one where she and the boy collect us have sex.
One at a time. Everybody attack. We can't.
It's what they it's what they so what they Akeem come to go have sex there. She call Jake and tell Jake say boy in a house. They say Jake come water house and say yo come to water house. You live in a
house.
You made it have sex there? In a house? A kiss in a house?
Fun.
Yeah. And little girl call and say yo Jake, daddy, the boy in a house. I saw Jake come over there and get mad pan and say yo pussy come to me lane. That Batty boy. That cause the fucker. Oh Jake me your friend there. That cause the fucker.
So the boy is finally asleep with her now.
Yes, she didn't fuck what there last week.
They see me not feeling do nothing. They
fuck
don't
last
do
week.
nothing. In a sleep there.
No, look here. Oh, you know? That's
I don't feel them do nothing. Them not gonna wear there. You know, hear a dime come out and say figure it out. Then I do nothing. And the last week,
I get that tell you. Shall fucking lie. Shall lie.
Well, no man,
the man them now go to woman.
The man them not nature for pussy a Batty man.
I know Sabati man. I know Sabati man.
Them not do woman.
You know Sabati man. You
When me your dime say, my friend and me your dime say that. Say, I know she did not do nothing.
Them not fuck them. The two of them not fuck them.
No nature.
The Batty man did the Bahamas.
My TikTok take down on the page because I'm send them over your report. We don't just say aquarium. We don't know what want to know in the box and you put them on the page.
Aquarium.
Well, me have 13 pages on me enough.
No, Sabi, I didn't laugh. That's not blood.
I don't clear 13 pages. No fuck.
King, yeah, tell me say I want come spend me.
No, watch me.
King, me I'm going to give Rosalie thing right now here.
That's the Jake too.
Jake nice no? Jake have a girlfriend no? You find girlfriend no?
Oh God.
Fuka America.
Jesus Christ. This one dirty.
That's a mother right now.
This
That's a mother.
one dirty.
The woman said Jake's obsessed with her. That she say.
Jake, the girl love Jake. The girl love Jake.
Yes.
See all them shoes you know say oh Jake that smart man. He buy shoes and he close them and shop and live.
Now I say something to you. Me not cut you. Look now. Me not cut you. Listen, all this girl now, I fear you know. You know what blood clot, G.
All a rose cat watch him.
I better say no way man.
Stop my life. Nobody in the box stop. Rose people them there and them a report my life, guys. We don't move on the dirty blood clot. We can't take me down tonight. But tell Rosalie say she put her hand on her mama. She on her body. So she put her hand on her mother, bust her mother face. She and her body in my eyes them. Because any girl bust her mama face can never be somebody. And then uno support her, uno enable her. All uno enable her, uno support her. Uno come. Uno never know what say. And tell her something say again, say. Tell Rosalie something say again, say. What kind of dirty disgrace did she come bring on her own, pity them on the media? Because if Jakes is not the father for the kids, that is not something that you should have come and bring on the media. And also, the kids them shouldn't even be going through this right now because they know this man as a father. Who know dirty, nasty, careless, drunk, crowbait people. Uno, we sit down and support her to do them type of fuckery. Uno dirty, nasty people. Uno, them something not good for the kids them in that Christmas here. Uno drunk, uno crowbait. Uno people sit down and support them fool in the shop. They want them to
that's why. No, Jake soft, that's why.
You not soft nothing.
If a man like me, head broke close to me.
I should man know I
in my opinion, yeah, dangerous thing.
If I'm got jail, what got him to the pit?
Yeah.
Jake's not tough like how them talk, like how she talk. But I Rose sell a bad story about Jake's. That's what me feel right now.
Wickedness. Wickedness, somebody needs to
Say
take
a
those
rose
kids
paint him in a
and
bad
look after
picture.
those kids because
I love
she's
my
not a
Friday
good
mother.
mother.
You know, me know she wicked.
Tell the truth.
When
You think that if him was such a person as she paint, no matter how one say man will composure, I keep
Well, the people, all of the things them where you wanna hear over there, like you that say ears ROSEALEE up on TikTok or ear and other. You see me? I wanna hear no from other people and GX and Ray. Want to tell me in the comment section with people if one feel say the youth them of a GX one or you know what I mean of a GX uncle. Also more people. But tell me if you feel like say GX knock the mother also seeing because remember them say the GX woman you know before she turned ROSEALEE woman you know, one bag mix up the sign of my people. So tell me what do you think about that? You see me? Make you watch some more.
him couldn't give him so much talk and come round the same way.
yeah.
Hey, you come
Him
here,
not bad. Him
know,
not
cause
bad none at all like a rose paint pan him.
me
Like
Akim
what
say
she-
I put on
Like
dress
how she
code.
cut herself and say, I him.
He say put on dress code, dress pyjama.
Yo, me say a while ago, me see one video when Jake I said something, some problem, something. He said, me see Rose comment and I say, watch bite out me.
Who I bring up back. But me and him in an argument share because Jelani come back and Jelani had deal with the pitney them. So Jelani will come a morning time from 6 o'clock. So we pick them, carry them, go school and we pick them up, we bring them back, he might come down here, we cook for them, stuff like that. But me and Jelani now fuck me and Jelani in a relationship, none of that. Get where I come from?
Yeah, me get where you
Now
come
me
from.
realize say, Jelani come out here, Jelani keep on in an argument for me. Me want to go up on my man, me can't go up on my man. Because Jelani in a problem with it, me can't go. Me a got me man which day Jelani trail me car.
Okay.
So Jelani trail me car now, me say to myself, you know what? Since I say now leave me alone, me tell the woman if you come for blood clot, you out here and care back a Barbados, or she move come out here and her start live together and do the thing.
Alright.
I so come end up take car now.
Right. Make we stick right here so with the panda pint with it right now. One, she post something saying plastic, never call your name same way.
I mean,
So
she
for you-
attack.
Yeah, no,
Me and you go have different opinions on that.
and I understand that, but I'm saying
Miss
to you,
Yata.
by saying something like plastic, bitch, you never call my name, son of me, and talk, you never call my name. Me no need to respond to you.
I mean, she attack. She make a reason with sense. I mean,
Yeah,
she
no,
attack.
we are reason with sense. Me, I tell you, say, she never call your name. Same like, me understand, yes, Jilan is your husband. You're married, you're not divorced yet.
People are gonna send you?
Oh, so that means say if somebody send you or you,
Yeah, people are gonna send you.
yeah,
But at the
somebody
end of the day,
send her.
where Shay,
Okay.
you see which part Shay I come from right now at the end of the day. Listen to me. Nobody now to pick up for me now. Can me go pick up for myself? That I just that. I'm here the only woman Jelani there with nobody. I mean shut up. Nobody not stupid. I mean what say I mean shut up? Me directly address her. If you don't want something wrong for that, then that's fine. But me address her.
Yeah,
That I
because, for address her that wrong,
Me never
because,
address her about no man. Me never
yeah,
address her
she
about no man.
shade, if you feel like she shade you, shade her back.
She did shade me, of
so,
course.
for going her inbox now, at the end of the day, she know you no loyalty. At the end of the
And at
day.
the end of the day, again, as I say, just like how and I did not.
Right.
I messaged her in her inbox to tell me if me that look problem. No, I was not. So at the end of the day, you look on it, you have to look on it two ways. So me have a big platform. If I want to come and drag somebody, me come drag them. Whether the crowd are going to pick up for me or not. No. So whether the crowd going to pick up for me or not, me could have shed light on this a long time because this is not happening now. A long time this a go on. And me hold me own and me easy myself. Me not trouble nobody. Uno don't see me come over here come cuss Jelani. Uno don't see me come over here come cuss the girl. Me own and me easy myself. So at the end of the day, if me realize that something I want to me text Jelani, she never did take it up her feet. About the status, so she put her no. Nobody never see it until she hashtag me. It was about me. It's not about her and about Jelani that you now listen. Because all along they did good. Kitty think about this. Yeah, the man they are fine now. Like I say, breeder go and breed the blood clot come. She said 2 times she pregnant with Jelani. So Jelani beat her, go and beat her come. Though, why you never go talk from long time then? Be honest. Why you go talk the minute you feel like him they are Jamaica now and me and him there back? Make it make sense. Me reach out to you and to she realize say, because hear what me know. Me no want to run Jelani because everything we are going. So hear me do. Media sensitive Elizabeth. Me just come a Mandeville back today. Guess what? Ella watch me status and realize that me post and me drive me car.
This how you text her?
What
you text her this or she? It says something.
We get one only per message, you know. See them here? One only per message.
I hope you get this. Hold on, Kitty. Listen, let's start by saying my approach was wrong. My approach was wrong. However, Jelani and I had to go and such. I'm coming to you this time asking you either come get him in jail or ask him to come back to you. I'm not doing this whole line games thing. The thing is, if y'all still there in your mind, that me I work with Zine, so come get him. I'm not about to disrespect a woman over a man again.
Okay, so what Mr. Wrong? That's the problem. What Mr. Wrong?
The approach is wrong.
The approach is not Shay. Alright, I'm gonna leave your place. Cause you know I realize now everything you have to approach. How we approach
no, because listen what me I say to you. You go in her inbox, as I say, she know owe you no loyalty. So you go in her inbox and say, I hope you get this. Let me start by saying my approach was wrong. The other day and I apologize. What did you do the other day to apologize?
So let me ask you a question. How is that approach wrong, Shay, as a big woman?
No, but you should go in her inbox, D.
What are you talking about, girl? You come like you don't understand what going on.
I understand everything what you say, but me I say you should go in here.
You don't, Shay, you don't. Because I feel like you're one side that like for you come. Because you just not on your phone, I say, Shay, come here because this too much to me, I can't manage it.
Yeah, but me I tell you the truth.
Shay, that is not the truth, and if you look into it, you realize you're not talking the truth. You're not.
But them a say, are you tell the girl to tag your name for go viral? So I understand why.
So what you want to say?
That girl not no proof of that. She attack pure foolishness and me not.
No, alright. So what you want me to say? You're right for going in her inbox. You're right for message her.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. Jelani right to come down here and look relationship if him know say him have woman pregnant or barbz and then they all of the things them.
Yeah, but are your husband?
Jelani right.
Are your husband? Yeah, are your husband? You're still married. But at the end of the day, no, it don't look good. Let me tell you why it don't look good. Remember, your husband, you know.
So hold on. Do you know say is our husband that, and it no matter where you go and come back are still our husband, and she have the talk over anybody at all, even all his mother, she have talk over, because them not only together by them not only put together by man, them put together by the Almighty also. They make a vow to the Almighty. You see me I say, and then put on a ring. This is not a boyfriend and girlfriend, nothing. So if you text the woman and say, Ray, you don't need no explanation from nobody, although maybe you want to make sure say, you know what I mean, she and him not depend nothing for you. You go give him back your heart and him go take it and, you know what I mean, mash it up like what him do already. So you want to know if him there with the woman for just for clarity or surety. Although she a tell him say to come back for him still, but woman has enough psychs, woman and enough time in them. We say some things what them not really mean. Them want it for the other way around, but them just do this just for face. You see me I say? So people wanna make me know one thing. So they have to know say yo, it's her husband that no matter how much woman him go breed out there, she can take him back without feeling no type of way because her husband and them never divorce. You see me?
Oh, you're going on one side.
You're not saying it right, Shay. You're not saying it right. You literally just say, I'm my husband. Say, but my husband, you must can text the girl too.
No! As a wife, me not text no girl.
No, you can't tell me that. When me go text?
As a wife, me not text no outside girl.
Okay, when me text, because at the end of the day, una not listen, bro. Una not listen. Anyhow, if you say Jelani, okay, if you trail me, go my man shop. And a PR man. Why me not write the text and tell her to come for your man?
That's gonna be man D. Man I gonna do that D. But I'm saying as a female, when we are gonna look up to each other, as me not gonna text no girl, cause me a wife and me have the ring. Me not care with you and Jelani. That's the side chick now, you know. Me not care with the Jelani and female other woman. But me not gonna text no.
Okay, well here what? Our man, from him come down, he make my life I live in hell. So me text. She if tell her, I say, come get her man. That is that. I saw it go and the argument done right there. So if Uno want to say me wrong, then that's an Uno. But to me, I'm not wrong. Because me just have a hard time with him. The messenger, me say, come get your man. When I texted her, if me text her, I said, big pussy girl, thinking old girl, me that understand. I texted her very respectfully. And me was trying to figure out if she and Jelani is still in a thing.
Paris,
because at the end of the day, you are ruined my relationship. You there start broke up my relationship. So why the hell you feel about that? Why you feel there so? I fuck up my relationship and your relationship secure over there so. Me not think that did right. So me text her for my reason why me text her and that's just that. You not have to understand where me I come from. You not have to get it but me text her for my reason. I never said she fuck up my relationship, you know. No, listen, you know. Me never said she fuck up my relationship. I said the man.
Alright, so me ask you a question. You and Jelani know the right?
Me and Jelani know the girl.
Alright, you and Jelani know the. So why text the girl and Jelani never text your man?
So me and Jelani know why Jelani follow me when me go to my man? Why me can't do no I feel her man, she come for her man and go back to her man.
Alright, Jelani go text, Jelani go follow you.
If you want, Kitty.
Alright, listen now. Jelani go be a man and follow you. Alright, okay. But why as a female you get up and text the next girl? That's what we are trying to say.
So Kitty, you never text man over woman yet?
No.
You never text man over woman yet?
Me not text
well, Kitty, the difference is me never disrespect her. I never disrespect her. I texted her and my husband, member good, I feel me husband. And me text and I was very respectful. And I said to her, I said, listen, at the end of the day, if you and Jelani are still together, this is what Jelani is doing and if you come get Jelani. That is basically when me I said to her. And me that text her again. Right now, me that text her again. Because at the end of the day, I was not disrespectful to her. And I talk to her out of respect and me on the phone, good. Me even I said to the girl, I said, girl, if you're pregnant for sure, you want your child, don't kill your baby. Me say, carry your pitney and keep your pitney. If you and Jelani there, that's a fool no business. I tell the girl over and over, me and Jelani don't there. Me tell her over, me and Jelani now have no sex. Me tell her, I say, me and never fuck to get her attention because Jelani blocked me on the girl page. And me know say, me don't tell her something to get her attention. The girl now go respond. That's why me text her and tell her that.
Question D, are your husband, you still love him?
Kitty, that is not what me come about.
But because you're saying I want him, but you text the girl, so me I try to understand. Me not understand it.
Let me ask you a question. Did I text the girl and tell her to leave mama alone?
It don't really matter what you text her.
No, it matters. No. You're trying to prove a point which is stupid, so I'm going to prove back one on you. Did I text the girl and tell her leave my man alone? Be honest. Did I text the girl and tell her say, am my man and she feel love him? No. Me simple, I text the girl and say, listen. Your man there, he might try to do this, he might do this, he might do that. Either you come get him, or whatever the case is.
I understand.
But my God, here.
Alright.
Because make it make sense. Make it make sense. Me not understand. Like me confused at this point. I'm so confused at this point. Me tell you something. You see, because me love out the media thing and me love out the bagga thing, me not gonna have much friend over here anymore, and that's fine. Cause here's the thing. People can't just call my phone and me jump up on TikTok and me in an argument and me in a bagga, me come cuss for that somebody, and me come cuss for that somebody, so them now have my back, and that's fine. I get it. It's cool. But here is me now, me tell you when me I say no, Zin. Listen to this now, guys. I wanna be fucking honest. Let me see if I can find about the message. Where them did I read just now? Where the message there? Everybody will hear the message and see the message. You know, be honest to God and tell me if I do something wrong. Listen to me now. Upon Jelani coming back here, I talk to Jelani. I say, Jelani, I have a man. I say, Jelani, as bad as things, I know I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I love the boy. You understand where I come from? I love the boy. Me have a man and I love the boy. Cause a long time me and the boy do a thing and me get this feeling for the boy, me no want to let him go. Me just want to go and ease myself. Zin? Jelani come. Jelani there, brother. Jelani, the man, alright, me then on my bed. The man call me. Man in just like, you know, you just wake up out your bed, your man call him. My man call me, my man say, if me good when me I do today. Peer argument it start. Because Jelani ready to cut down the whole place. He not lick me, you know. But he ma cuss. He ma say, Dion, you have to have respect. Me don't care what you want to say. Me your husband. Me your husband and me come to fix back my family and him come to fix back him family. Me want back him family. You remember say me no know nothing where you go on, you know. If me nobody text the girl, you know. Me then think about this. Poor Jelani did come back now and off the bat. Me just say, watch it, alright, but could fix back with marriage. Me I got a man there, me gonna go back together. Tell me how fuck up you would have been now. For me find out say when the girl reach her 8 months pregnant or a girl a baby, me I find out say the girl just have a baby. Wanna be honest and tell me if that now would have hurt more and that now would have fuck up more as a woman. Wanna really look into it and tell me how things go. Really look into it and tell me how things go. Be honest to yourself and tell me how things go. If me did wait until all of that time they pass off and then me find out, me would have heartbroken all over again. Me would have hurt all over again, bro. Remember say me been no war go on and me there so me not cuss nobody. Me not trouble nobody. Me come on me TikTok and I pay like more time say I'm not okay. Mentally I'm not doing good. Are we happy there? Happy to send me invites? Happy send a request. Me see you say Ade, but me not see it. When you get where I come from, so at the end of the day, I feel like I did not do anything wrong. I don't think I did anything wrong. You get where I come from? I don't think I did anything wrong. I sent her a message. I was not disrespectful to the girl. I sent the girl a message. I simply said to her, I said, listen, me need to figure out what's going on. I don't want to know why I did that. I did that because of the bag of argument and me and Jelani have you got through. And me keep explaining to Jelani say me and Jelani not together. Me keep explaining to Jelani say Jelani right now, the feelings them where you want me if you have fear. Me not say I don't love you as my husband. But like sexually and you know them look something like I'm just not there right now because me already into somebody else that way they want way. When you get where me I come from? So some people gonna say me wrong, which is good, but to me not wrong. I don't know. I don't think I wrong. Me not on the page, you know. Me not add nobody when me no. Me not think me wrong neither. We are still married.
People, wanna see me telling you say the reason why D maybe call the woman have to find out if everything mash up between him with she and Jelani, and she just want to safeguard her heart for not get heartbroken to find out say boy Ray. You hear me telling you say sometimes the woman they make it look like see that this them want when at the opposite them sneaking and cunning and tricky. You see it, so they call the woman just for, you know what I mean, like for she come for her man and call back her man over there that a for her husband, but and really that she did want. She just want to find out if any little strings attach her, you know what I mean, she and Jelani is still there together strong and thick in her relationship before she give back the chance in her life and go all out again with him. At that, she just want to find out if him free up from the woman to go all out with him again. Make me know what you think.
Them are gonna say Jelani not wrong. Them are gonna say Jelani is not wrong. Fi a trail me go my money, go up on my man place. Me a go morning just like me bed, we a go up on the road. Jelani go about him business, me go about my business. Me reach up so I him that them me see a follow me come at the guy. Me a say things say which part you go. The man still follow me. Me have to end up past the man place because me decide to me not gonna become me no want no problem. You see where me I come from? So at the end of the day it's like me now looking to myself and me I say but Jelani I mash up when me have ya so. When me and the guy have ya so Jelani I mash it up. So me I say, alright, me I will text the girl, make the girl know what I want. So at the end of the day, just to find out say as me tell you know, him a hide in one relationship same way because him and the girl over there do the thing and him hide it. Him hide it the whole time. And me uno does not understand, bro. Me I try my best to stay out of everything me that because I realize say is this. If Jelani breed her and she and Jelani they live together and she and Jelani do the thing, why the girl get up and attack me? Why she get up and attack me? When I reach out to her, me simply will like me I try to help the girl. I basically try to help the girl, you know. All me I try to do, I help the girl. But here what the problem now, because when the girl go call him now, Jelani go say to the girl, say, listen. Me I try to see if me can get back my wife. And he said to her, say, oh, so you think you're going to F me and then go back to your wife? You're crazy. I'm going to burn down TikTok with Uno. That she say. And then boom, everything reached on TikTok. And when it reached on TikTok, me still stay out of it. Me still sit down me and mind my own business. Oh, Uno requested it. So me not see it. Me Ross. Lord God, me not use the TikTok again.
Yeah. Hey, but I'm going for job for my 5 years later. Girl, what the heck is going on? First of all, what is going on?
Why happened?
I'm going to ask you something. Because it sounds to me like you're in a bit of a confusion right now, you know, for the fact that Jelani I try crawling back himself and then you have your new love and it feel like you're in the midst of it, in the middle. Girl,
me I go through confused, me stressed.
Listen, I say I love Jelani, you know. I don't know if the chat see it and notice that, but listen, it's normal. I mean, I'm going to come and say, come be a hypocrite today and talk to you like, listen, it's normal like your husband. You get me? Or the father of your kids, girl. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up, if you want your man back, get him, bitch. We're going to back you.
This may come back because I find that Kitty and she was being a little biased because every woman,
but
if them man do something, they would want to know.
Listen, girl, I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. Me nah be a hypocrite. Me nah be a hypocrite. I'm not gonna talk to you like you're iron. We are woman and the whole we go through that right now. No for we are still man mascot out here. We love who we are want where you want. You understand me? Me nah gonna come talk to you like say Ray. The whole we are mascot. If you love your husband, you love your husband. If you want back, you go right back. It's simple. No make the internet dictate that for you and no make nobody choose for you. Follow where your heart want. If your husband want to fix back in relationship, will fix it back. At the end of the day, not done family, girl. You understand what I say? So people are going to call you idiot and people are going to call you stupid. But the truth is, 95% of we females are idiot for man when we're ready. You understand? Me married. My husband give me bun already. And me tell myself, so me not left, first of all, me not left my man for no woman.
True.
You understand? Me not really business what nobody want to say. And me know when me and my husband go through, and me know say him always gonna be a man. You understand me, D? So, nobody make the internet dictate nothing to you and make nobody tell us, because whether you do or you don't to the internet, them still are going to bring you down, them still go with where your heart want. If you want back him, man, you put him on blood clot, what you call it, make him fighting way,
and fight back for in relationship if he want it and prove to you say, alright, he want in life. Nobody drag your girl and have your head all over the place. Cause me see you up in a box a while ago, you explain to people. You don't gotta explain shit to nobody. And your crutches, and your ring finger, and your kids, and your man. Well, what we did there when you and Jelani meet, somehow not even didn't know we. Somehow we not.
Hey, my people, more to tell more what you think in the comment section, because sometimes we as man make things difficult for the woman them, you know. The woman them really want love we as man, you know, but guess what? We have we look at dirty ways where we galley and them something there, we hurt the woman them over and over. And them want to try with we, you know, people, them want to go all out with we, you know, but them skeptic. You see me, them don't want to get them heart broken. You see me, and we just feel like so if we broke their heart and everything feel good tomorrow and them come back to it because we want them. You see me, and we expect them to understand certain things when we not understand certain things. You see me, I say, so me know my people, because we full of double standard as man. We want to do certain things and woman not to do it, and we not play the right role as man. You see it, so make watch some more.
Even they know you. You see me, so you do what your heart tell you to do. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come see say you want soft girls still in you. As soon as the internet start and flap them out, you go down in a depression, get confused.
No, you know, girl, the internet
and all of that.
Depression right now. Me just, to be honest, may I be honest with you, like, me just don't like the bag of media thing no more. So that's why
I say why you over here explain shit to the media.
And then hear what me know too. Alright, Happy, let me say something to you and be honest, right? If me not say you and your man, if me not say you and your man in a problem pan the media before, like him beat you, and me want the media for rock with me, don't me go say beat me to do.
Well, yeah, the media is the place. You have your people over here where you come to, and you talk to, you confide in, and you express how you feel, and the things then all of us do it.
Why is it that Ella never that talk to Jelani? I beat her a long time. Why I know she come with that? Because she knows that the people them did have my back when my situation did go on. That's why she start hashtag me, and I tell people them say me telling them for hashtag me and all of the things. Them now find them.
As what me said, him abusive, him disrespectful, all of the things them you know it, you did have got through it and Ray. As what the comment section I say, some people say you deserve better, some I say he's abusive, and some I say a true happy attack, some I say a lie, some I say a foolishness. Listen, in at the end of the day, none of us opinion that matters the most more than how you feel, your kids them, listen. You run your show, girl. And does that me come up here to tell you? Because I'm going to tell you something. You not going to be the only, if I so be the case and everybody see as a mascot and see as an idiot, you're not going to be the first one. You hear me tell you? Your mascot and idiot pan will all own up to that. Who will leave the pan ya? So you go with where your heart tell you. A bag of people are going to have a bag of shit to say. You understand me? Go with where you want, tell you, where you want, where you're comfortable with. Sit down and think about it. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And nobody go depressed on yourself and ball on yourself. You feel like say Jelani have done enough damage, you don't want him back.
No, wait,
then tell him you don't want him back.
Wait, 1 minute, Eli about stuck, but when I go and talk, I put a spot on that phone if you do something. 1 minute.
You understand what me I say, King J?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the end of the day, we are all human beings. You see me? So if she don't want him back, she should have tell him so she don't want him back. But the internet are going to have for them own opinion. Some are going to say take him back, some are going to say don't. And she have to decide that for herself.
Yep.
You understand what I say?
But Happy, even another thing, right? Here's something else too. Listen now. Jelani and the girl said Jelani and her there now. The girl tell me say Jelani sleep with other woman pan her over there. So why you not come out cuss them? Cause am I now? Cause your friend name am I where you say Jelani sleep with? Where you come and cuss me for? I just me alone who don't always at patrol me have the name, brother. And me alone who don't always at for. And you not go talk. Everything where you tell me say Jelani do you not talk them they stop me there now. But you want to come about me. What is wrong with you people, man?
You see, that's the problem with the comment section. You see, Uno?
The girl tell me say you fuck Jelani over there. See, alright, that's unforgettable, man. You may a chat.
Uno want to tell
and she
the
tell me
woman
say, she just for to see you which night. But hypocrisy and your drop back stratosphere. You same one.
No one for tell the lady say Jelani abusive, Jelani this and she for run and she not for take him back and leave the woman to make her own decision. That's all I'm saying. It's none of our place. It no matter when none of our day in the comments I say how where the woman want. But when not gonna get that in the problem, but they start talk foolishness or whatever it is. But at the end of the day, so do you feel and what you want. None of we can't tell a woman what to do.
King says he doesn't like to be called the B word.
Talk about his sexuality and
This is bullying. You guys cannot
We don't talk about their sexuality to the media. So now him over here, so I pressure me and I talk about him love the boy and him go buy this to the boy.
Queenie, stop that now. Yeah, Queenie, Queenie, I think tell Queenie if you stop talk certain things, Shay.
No, him come on the internet and talk.
They not remember them something, make it still, they don't know me and talk about. The people that don't even know if I lie or true. Queenie, stop that, girl. I want to Queenie. We're not tag team in front of.
No, you in the comment section when me what
comment section, a comment section. I'm not up on a live.
And the boy say it tastes like sour orange.
No, you in the comments when the boy say it tastes like sour orange.
Jesus Christ, here I know. Where I repeat that for now, Shay.
But the people that might type it, sour orange king.
You're too like Queenie.
Come over and look.
Wait, somebody said
men that date men are sensitive. They'll take penis in their bottom though. I'm not understanding. Why would she say that? One and only Lavon. These comments, oh my god.
Kitty, me not have no problem with nobody will chat me now. But this is being on the internet. People in my space have to respect me on the internet. You feel me?
Right.
You say if I dead as a kitty, call me anything where you want, call me. I hear the out in the road or in the street. Say anything where you want.
Kim, we Jamaicans, listen Kim. We Jamaicans is not going to say, oh, that lady, we're going to say that Batty boy there, it's normal, that's some talk.
Time and place when
why
on
we not to
social
say
media.
that?
Because it's demeaning.
Which part we live? What we live?
Nobody Akeem come depend live and walla with depend live and the man attack him but the man depend the phone and the man say babe where you want for this, where you want for that. Where you talk about Keem, you
So
tell
what
people
wrong
when
with that? If me I say babe where you want, nothing wrong with that. Falan start me up, girl. Avoid me no Falan, girl. Avoid me. Don't go back down this girl. Please, avoid me Falan.
People for call on then.
Maybe this is where you want to say Keem. You don't have no proof and nothing where you chat say.
You guys can look at the name on my
So
screen.
you can say anything you want to.
Miguel!
The name that is on my screen. That's
Miguel, come down.
If you want to that Batty boy, then what the problem?
You cannot
Say you just
what I
loud
am
and
because
strong,
you've
you know.
never seen
I'm
me
at that
in
work, I can't
action.
talk loud with you.
I'm gonna fuck off, yeah.
What I'm doing.
The two are no fuck off.
Oh my
Come
god.
on, what we call on a fish or a sprat?
With the blood clot, you
No.
call me by my
That's
name,
not my
nothing
name.
else. My name. Just like how I say, Shay, maybe I call it Saddamite girl later, suck pussy girl or whatever. I not do that.
The problem is.
But me not feel no way if you say that.
But me no want you, me not have that relationship, so me no want you to take it up, girl. That me I try to say.
No, me know who. Listen, come here. Me tell you the two on something. Me not in a denial. Me know
Shay,
who.
me not in a denial neither.
Listen what me I say to the two on. I know who
Shay.
I am. I'm not in denial,
Kitty, me
darling.
not in a denial. Me live my life. Me not in a no denial, girl. But respect I respect.
Listen up.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then move on to the next.
I'm put my life
That's why I
out
get
here.
some mad at Falan last night, cause respect is respect.
I am
Keep,
in denial.
when you're reading your style, keep in a style of why you have a problem.
You feel like you have fight for me. Thinking Batty boy. You feel like you have fight for me. You're not a fight for me. You're not clap no tea so. Yeah, make sure I tell you that. No file you can't get for me. Cause you're not, none of them yet. Nobody
Falan, don't draw me out. Come in and argue. I'm not gonna argue.
You don't know what the fuck to do. Oh, you come in, call your Batman. Come and call your Batman.
Falan, swing low and tread lightly. Please, I beg you, Falan.
Me not swing no blood clot. Keep me no
Tread
afraid of
lightly.
you now. Me don't know what team you think me afraid
afraid of you? Wait, I'm gonna lock my office door. Hold on, I come in. Me come in, I want 2 load 9 people in place.
No, you do not have to get out of character. You guys can
Anyway,
have a
Shay,
formal...
later, I'm not gonna do this.
You guys need to have a very nice conversation. Let's have formal, nice conversation. We don't have to be disrespectful.
Yeah, Miguel, go on now.
Oh my God, why are you guys doing this now?
Kim was wrong. That is what I'm saying. He
If
was
he's
wrong yesterday.
he's wrong, but you don't
and
have to
because we
argue
tell
a
him say him
point.
wrong,
He my
chat
Batman. He my fuck. He my suckle. He my Batman. Batty blood clot, man. I don't talk.
You guys cannot be
Just
saying this.
because we tell him say him wrong, he get sensitive.
I could kick your bucket. Because kick the blood clot bucket. I remember my bucket kick from last night.
But we don't really
So make a
want
video about me now.
He's human. You have to remember.
We don't kick the bucket from last night, Kim. So you can't tell me if you tread no blood clot lightly. Because you don't know what you say already and you can't rub out. So you don't go down Emmanuel Road already. Batty man.
You need me get Alright, yes. Alright, Miguel, later.
Yeah,
But
Miguel.
let us live in love like Michael Jackson
Come
said.
again when it is more pleasant.
Yeah, come again when it's more
Don't
pleasant.
make the sometimes chat triple.
Yeah, bye-bye, Miguel. Michael.
Want to make a
That
bride
batty boy, come out of this bumper. Get go.
I can't take you right now.
Me say I should do ya save that boy.
You must say.
Do ya save that boy.
And that's why I'm coming.
Do we really save that boy? You know? You know? Do we really save that boy?
Yes, we are doing.
Do we really save that boy? If you ever know my brother save you, the boy. Sure. Him have to come down, man.
Not a track serious.
He may like getting the truth for true. I'm tell him say him wrong. So those who are the problem. If you take it, him wrong. Yeah, him not like getting the truth. Him troll everybody. So I don't know why when them troll him offended.
No man, Indy just share. Indy just act for me. Him they just act for.
Go below the
From night
and me, him act for. I mean, all Candy members say all Candy are cussing me now, and him had said 2 little things to Candy, and Candy not pay me, man. So I mean, him combo.
Yeah, like Candy a pressure him, so him just couldn't manage.
Nah, deal with Candy, you're gone.
That 9 rules. Please, Chad.
Hey, you see when Candy I deal with him and him a turn to follow and all the comments, last night the whole of my comments.
Everybody has said Fala not even a trouble, yo. He just a call me name. He just a jog my pussy blood clot tongue. He just a jog, he just a nyam, he just a chop.
I play all 3 some me and the blood clot though. Me don't know what me walk tell lie on you. God blood clot no. Me walk tell lie on him. I want you just chillax here now, mix and mingle. God bust me neck and blind me. Me walk tell lie on him for. Jake suck pussy like a dog. Him suck my mama pussy, my sister one, my auntie one, every blood clot body know him out. Me not tell you so the woman was stab my mother in her eye, him name out her hole. I boy my mama tell me. So yes, him fuck Claudia and suck her pussy. Before run her like a dog until I move, me don't want to hear nothing. So me don't know when I come to about, nah, me not a nature for your nature in your mouth. Why so much people? Because that's something I'm like, no. Can't not, you know, I can't not lie you a blood call my body a lick out. You push a left, hey boy, I'm gonna get dirty with you and just relax here. I'm gonna talk some things here. I bet you wanna see him, tell him to leave my name alone. Cause we go on some details. A freakiness with him and him not gonna like it. Cause him blood clot levels are freakiness past 9. Just try to fuck me all my body. Me not even look. Just relax yourself. You look, boy? I'm going to class you over here and do you up and tell your deeds. Relax. Relax. You're too much ups now. I come talk about women that have nature for you when you have money, girl. Relax yourself. Alright. Relax yourself. No make me have to turn up. No make me have my head have a trip pan you. Yeah, get to my brains now. Relax yourself. Oh. But you relax yourself here. You know really get push a left finger in my hole and suck it up. Move! But blood clot now in nature for you stink like. Where? With or without man, that's something where you like though. Someone know where you talk about money. Move! That's something where you like though. You like to do it. You have fetish for it. So I don't know what you are talking about. Relax yourself. With or without man, that's something where you like though. You like to do it. You have a website when name X must say XNNXX. I even know that website there. Pure dirty sitting. You have a website when name XNXX. Him know, but you don't know that website there. I say name over Google. You go over Google, go search for it. Your name X. Well, X. I'm gonna put it on. I said, you type it in. No, man, not XX video. XNXX. XNXX. That's why XNNXX. Something like that there. When I pull it up, a pure freaky video. I him teach me that site there. Relax your corner. And relax your mouth. And relax your structure. Not too much. I want to know blood clot. I don't see people like in our chatting because I chat too blood clot much. I've got like you want to come style girl over here. I am ungrateful. So I now no secret for you. And if I test my faith again, I just go down in a more history book. You're a freaky man. So now come talk about, oh, when I have nature for a girl, like you can say, oh, when I time them have nature for a girl, Jakes, if you not fuck me, you have to suck me. So if you not fuck me, not care. When they don't suck my pussy, me come. Me not care if you would want to stand up. Me not care. Me not care. But I think some use ties and them something there. Cause my body get accustomed to that something I eventually like. Me not care. Me not care. Sometimes I have 2 nights, 3 nights, that alone I do. And you wouldn't ask for my business. You don't please me already them out. So if you wouldn't ask what the fuck that do with me. You go down that detail, I regularly you wouldn't ask up a blood clot. And you don't please me with them out already, so me not give 2 fuck. Come I done, come on when I come I done, me done. When you see my clit start to jump, I'm lock my foot tight. Sometimes I call him face night. Grip him head and grip it. Hey, that alone me miss. I don't buy 10,000, I buy 50,000 what I am out here now. Right now. That alone my blood clot, miss. Yeah, you make me like Rose and them something there. Like Rose and Rose and them something there. That's something me used to. I get from me at 20 or me at 32. At 12 years that me get. Some don't know what the blood could come talk about nature. Where come talk about nature for? Some people have nature in.
Alright, my people. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section because ROSEALEE ease up off of Jakes, you know, my people. You know, say Jakes are going to give my broadboard one of them there, yeah? And to me, my people, Jakes don't look like the man who do them type of things. Them look like a hardcore street youth where hang out on corner. You go hard to find them type of youth there to do certain things because them no want no man have nothing over them on the corner. You see me I say, so me no feel like him do it still, although you can't put nothing past nobody still, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think. I make you watch some more.
I'm out. When a woman got suck one wood, me never know Sunday for in her mouth for suck a wood. Me know why you can mouth go everywhere. I have a body know about your mouth. I'm ashamed. Cause them something that private stuff do you and a partner, your personal person. Them you could have done with a boy now. Me go there with a boy now. It's a difference. For them don't understand. It's a difference. But them don't under blood clot, and it's a difference. Regular amount. A regular amount. You deal with the man, and the man can't enter. Your mouth go everywhere too much. If me a fuck a boy different from a regular man, say me go fuck. If me go grind a boy, I know say me I'm a regular man. My regular man or my personal man, me and him will do the things them. But if I go fuck a boy, I can't go do the things with the boy when I just go just fuck. No more go everywhere. Too much. I want she clad a year. Cause I can't tell you, my mother tell me say yes, him name your hole and fuck you. And she tell me so. She blood clad tell me so. And she tell me say him suck out your hole and fuck you. And my mother tell me so what do you hear? I never know them the fuck her, cause when me get the idea them that fuck Claude, them tell me say I lie. Come go on the one night, go catch him on a royal yard. I drop my fence and come out. I say, oh you say you go buy we like me a mascot. I drop my fence and come out. And him take God for the cross, him a no money in a nothing. And I want my mother tell me say him fuck her and suck her pussy. But me the surmise, because she tell me say him suck pussy. I'm a keep and I ask myself, so, oh, me know that. I even when me and my argument, my family very nasty, stinking, suck pussy blood clot. But Claude tell me, say, you suck pussy. And oh, she that blood clot know that. Make him move and go about nature. Jackson nature in your mouth. Can start suck very young. And who that dead. So you soon, on the appetite you walk with, and I walk with a firm agenda. You walk with a big appetite and not a firm agenda. Move. Go around to the station, go call the police, we can't tell them when them come. Go in a courthouse, we can't tell them when them blood clot come. We can't tell the world. Oh. Rest me. Come on, if I go long in a more blood clot, these kind of freaky past 10. Oh? My pussy you suck. God kill me if I lie me I tell. Me say you suck my pussy till me tired. For me at 20 I suck my pussy.
Long time.
Me say for me at 20 I eat up my old jicks. Me now ask I tell me I tell the world. And for me at 20 me piss all name out. So no ready for do the bargain we do it. I'm a sister pussy a suck on my mother one. So I don't know what you say.
Right, eh. I know you say.
Me now ask you, I tell you.
As never said, me know about the chip on that plan.
You look out of my batty wall. You suck my pussy. If you got a courthouse, I tell the judge, frankly, why you got a courthouse with it? I say, yes, sir, and him suck my hole. Yeah. That's all I can say. The waist can sit in your face. The waist can sit in your face. I'm right to them out my piece. Of course, me never bring it to you. But it's called squirting. Me never bring it to you, but I piss in your mouth. Make you like them something that you like freaky show. You like freaky show. Watch him. All the while I piss in your mouth. All the while. All the while. Me not ask you, I tell you. We not asking a question, booby, I tell you. All the while. All the while, boo. All the while, regular day.
You know when you have your money, Mr.
Money. Just say some pussy from without money. Is it nonsense? Drake say eat them all without money. Some don't know what you talk about. After me at 20, I suck my pussy. Some don't know what you talk about. After me at 20, some don't know what you talk about. What you talk about money? I don't know step on TikTok. Look how long you eat out this. Nature not in a mouth.
Yes, man.
Nature not in a mouth. If you not a nature for me, you have to eat this.
Last time.
If you not a nature for me, you have to eat this. When I don't eat this now, you're pushing it all and it now stand up and you're a piece that don't come already. I saw the bad game used to go. Then you could have my head and my money and my wall. Bro. All well. Hey, I have some. Look, I never did my blood because I'm thinking one. Hey, I have some. I'm thinking people. My paper this because if I hate stink like shit. Oh, I'm not have nature for your liar, tell me. That nature in the mouth. But nature. Eh? Ever blood clot no nature in the mouth. You want to cut your admin, see? You don't want to cut your admin a blood clot for tell you come suck me. That me a mascot. You eat out this, me not ask you. You get to.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because me as man know say, yo, when woman and man left, them look for the worst things to say about the man. You see me I say, and tell PLI and them something there. You see me, but to some people, them love the entertainment aspect of everything. So whether a truth or a lie, them are gonna run with it. You see me I say, so let me know what they think, my people, because eventually we feel like say GX are gonna hurt ROSEALEE if she continue to do what she are doing, my people. Because there's only so much a man can take.
Enough.
Took a while ago and see more down.
You get too enough.
You might look at
you get too enough.
Miss. Look at my shirt. Where's the red? Look at my clothes, bro.
You get too enough. Ups.
But like, that's to show you.
Getting too enough and ups. I like take set on blood clot people. I like enter your blood clot. Come here, tell you your weakness. It's so pussy like a dog. But you know, I'm not on nature fear. I don't know what nature in that damn fuck.
5.
4. Watch out. Here, you're this about cat here. Out to order. Idiot, girl. I wouldn't have the money me on a nature feel like you're so dunce and stupid. You're so dunce and stupid. Come never have nothing to do with so I can go and try to Biggins done. You're so dunce and fucking stupid. Nature not have nothing to do with nature, not have nothing to do with nature, not have nothing to do with your mouth. When a blood clot come and say all the while when I go around and come back and dead. Then you done suck me already. No way you got blood clot tell me so. You know you can't treat the world, you can't treat me. God blind me if I lie me I tell. But to me hate, that's why I talk. I am grateful because I could have hold it. If it was a decent blood clot man, I could have hold my mouth. If it was a decent blood clot man, I'd hold my mouth. I'm a Batty Jakes lick up, I don't know what I'm talking about. A piece all name out. I write us some cock up writer so. I want to tell you more piece, I'm just piss by your blood clot. You just get you're too enough and ungrateful. And the ear children of life for me are soaking in my system for you. Make me a ball out the blood clot things them. My man know your name crutches, my sister them know all your way I fuck know you suck pussy like a dog. I'm shilling know you suck pussy. So I don't know where you tell me. Say every woman shilling know you suck pussy, so I don't know where you talk, what your mouth say. Like a lie me I tell pa you. One time shilling come tell me say suck pussy. I say how shilling know that? I say your father suck pussy like dog. I say oh him know that? Yeah, him mama friend, all him mama friend pussy him yam. I don't know what him feel like. Move! But nature. Just relax here, boy. I'm going dirty for you, but relax. Can me take a day or two and empty the gun and make me just pure shoot out of this. So just relax, rest me. You know, like rest people. You like I got on and 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 on. Like nobody come here and tell lie for your blood clot. Nobody come here and tell lie for you. When him mama friend, when him shilling them same suck pussy me frightened. Come on, me never know she could know that. Jake suck pussy like a dog. Me not care zero laugh lab. Him too much. Rest me. You come back on blood cut a whole chat. You suck pussy like a dog. And I ask me, And I ask me, I tell her. Just and I'm a pussy fan before me have TikTok and money. Talk about nature. After me at 20, I suck this. And every time we fuck you suck it. Every blood clot time, so I don't know what you talk about. Cause something you like though. So I know you gotta talk about nature. What nature have to do with mouth? You're so dunce and stupid. You're too enough. That's your problem. You're too enough. I like love. I gotta know for rest. People rest my name. Come know me not to the life on you. And I tell me a blood clot, tell your deeds. Report my profile now. Make it go dirty. Somebody man, I lie shot tell, where the fuck me walk at tell lie for your blood clot for? Huh? If we drop blood clot dead and pay 69, you have to suck this. I don't know what you talk about. If we drop dead and we play 60 blood clot 9 or 69, we have play pussy. But I know you suck this. I don't ask you that. I mean, I tell you, if we drop dead and play 60 blood clot 9, you have to suck this. I don't ask you that. And that's something you like, look at your mouth go all about. You know, keep your mouth, you just have a regular mouth. My mama, my sister, my auntie, all in mama friend pussy him suck. All in mama friend can't tell me say him suck pussy. My mother look at me and tell me what day you say. When, what day you, before me not jump off. My mother tell me say him suck Claudia. My mother look at me and tell me say him suck Claudia pussy. My mama tell me that. Someone don't know what him at come talk about. If you walk a suck already, you have to suck this. Not go like you're smart, go hide, go beard. So the same blood clot woman, that the same blood clot woman who stabbed my man in her eye. The night when me in here, I tell her woman on the phone with. But on the phone with Angela, and she tell me, say, fear, him fuck she and suck out her hole. That one blood clot woman, when I catch him out of the other, come out of one night. I like him in there, eat, and I ring down him phone. That time that she first him start by fuck from, till him start fuck the little cranny thinking one. The all rugrat when I walk with. The all rugrat when I walk with now at night time. We can't have a bed for put none of them. And the woman look at me and tell me say him suck out Claudia hole. My mother tell me that. I'm gonna tell her something, we don't want blood clot here because all along when the man yam fuck you not talk, so don't tell me no. I say Angela with that. If Angela dey on the live no, Angela say Rose, me did the night when you tell me no want hear it. But when I tell some me don't want hear nothing, cause long time when I do the things I know you don't talk. Don't tell me no. So Jake say, well, like me alone know about your mouth. Me your mouth go all about. Your mama friend on name Shilling aka Cked, you suck for your pussy too. You suck my mama one and my sister one, I have a blood clot, you mouth go all about. And look a girl we are there with no your name out her hole. And if ever she walk and fuck, she have to tell you. And you like when girl come back, you like when girl walk and fuck and come back, you can't suck out that. Remember good no? You know when you want blood clot, when the jury the judge, me can't tell you that. Of course you're not in my hole. Me can't tell you that, I'm not afraid. So no way.
Alright, my people, so you see that perfect example of how women stay and why you don't know if you believe everything them say after the man a man mash up. Alright, make you watch some more.
You want to go, go. You think me afraid? You can't send me a prison card just the truth. You dep on social, me say yes, and I'm suck it, so me have to talk. I'm going like him want come in. Him want come in and talk with me, so I tell him about my mind. Yeah. Big cranny fool, girl, him want come style me, so me I style him back and tell him I reach in the bedroom. So we go go to the quarters when I tell you run in front of the judge Jakes. You feel me afraid? Come remember me not turn a light pan you. Remember me not turn a light pan you. Remember me sure no me not turn a light pan you. Me not ask. Me not turn a light pan you. Oh. You don't want to crowd over blood clot upon me. Go end this and come a ras bed. You're too much. Remember me not to lie upon you. If we drop dead, I play all three so me and the blood clot do.
It's like you see that 240 and stuff. When they chip in right there, you see you got about 500.
That's showing different from mine.
Oh, it's just, watch out.
That's a 419 per month. That's a 419 per month.
I don't know how my phone moves to them. My phone move one type of way. They say, well, they have full data. Yo, chat, my phone move one type of way. They just come off of the plane and say, yo, I'm treat you to some lunch, you know what I mean?
What's wrong with you, rat baby?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Billy. Yeah. Treat a woman right there, that.
Not only sex.
You get money to not only sex, you know what I'm saying? She said she's hungry and she come off of the plane, so me I say, alright, lunch, right this?
Yes. I'm hungry, but for sure now. My rating is 15.
So what are you doing? Yeah, I get paid some lunch. But you know what I mean? You know the things there. Can't bother with it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just taste and hibernate for a bit, isn't it? Yeah, but we're outside, isn't it? Why you want me to put the phone? Hey, what am I going to stay on? She said she did hungry. So, you know, she come off of the plane with us, you know what I mean? Yeah. She eat out to some lunch. I like chat.
It's nice, but you cook it, bro. It'll be nice if you cook it. Look at this person.
I see my glasses, I mean, madam. Marsha, you gotta get it, man. Toxic Series Part 2, so forward. Make sure you can handle it. So, man, say, believe. We'll eat more, man. You hear that? Shana just come off my plane. She did miss it for a few, you see what I say?
Okay, when is time they think that you were you come sleep.
What?
You come sleep kind of ridiculous.
Fuck, I don't feel like I'm here now. They over somebody who get tricked. You don't use it for chicken. You don't come like, what am I doing? You really make Shana chicken, no? I can't believe so I make Shana chicken in there. I swear to God, bro. So you really feel like that? Yeah, Panama is a very nice place to visit, is it? Right?
Right.
Okay.
A long time enough.
Yeah, dog. I can't believe so I make Shana chicken. Oh, yeah. She is that guy. Just as bad.
Last night, hear me. Guys, me come up and live because babes are come downstairs. Hey. say.
But what you know? My outside I treat me to some lunch, you hear that? I can't talk to you now. Later me on the connect up. You hear that? Stay tuned, that's it, series part 2. Forward. You hear that? Bad. Water, lunch.
Constructive. Nobody now focus. Have you a pissy blood clot game on the pan? But I don't stress blood clot me. None of no stress me.
Oh, come on, guys. Anything on thank you so much.
None of no stress me. My side double tap chat.
Come on, guys. Anything what you have, guys.
No, I them day I stop on the live. I them day I stop on the rapid live. Me don't even like literally me don't even know what one. You understand me?
Yeah, me I play talk. Me I talk.
But I can't take them foolishness and me can't manage them fight. Me can't manage them foolishness there. You understand me? She go take up something and lick the blood clot man in her face. You don't think so the man go lick out your ass?
Boy, thank you, God.
If you can't agree on a left. If you can't agree on a leave. If you have a man, you go with the man where you talk to. You understand what I say? You have a man, you go with the man where you talk to. You understand what I say? You can't agree on a left, brother. I don't want nobody around me in a fighting. I don't want nobody with me in no fighting, brother. You and the man can't agree. Left man, get some space. That's all me can say.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Queen. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, guys.
Guys, me a stock chat.
Me not see your stock now. Sharon.
Guys, me a stock.
No. No.